So here we are, guys. This is important. This video is gonna be about places that you can go to rent box trucks, vans, trailers, different things that you need that's really important to be able to haul your stuff from point A to point B. Now, I personally rented a lot of Penske trucks, and we're gonna see that later in the video where we actually go to Home Depot and show you the box trucks that they have available. But it got to a point where I was buying enough storage units to where I actually bought my own box truck. I don't know if you guys seen it, come right over here. But this is my box truck. It's a really unique one. You guys have probably seen it on some of the videos. This pops up on this side and the other one pops up on the other side. Eventually, you definitely will probably want to buy a vehicle, whether it's a box truck, a trailer, a van, and in another storage unit course video, I'll kind of go over the pluses and minuses of all the different vehicles that you can use. For this purpose, however, is just to show you where you can rent vehicles. So stay tuned. This is really important because remember, the prices of vehicles differ from Home Depot to other places that you can rent like U-Haul, and it's very important you get the cheapest option because this eats into your bottom line with the storage unit, dump fees, the truck fees, the gas, and all that, the insurance. So it's really important to keep this as low as possible in the beginning so you're actually profitable, so that way you don't quit storage unit buying and you actually make money. So let's go ahead, I'll show you some actual locations because 9 times out of 10, the vast majority of you guys probably do not have a truck, do not have a trailer, and you'll need to rent something to be able to pick up your storage units. So stay tuned. All right, so one option you have to rent a vehicle, which I've done this all the time, is what? U-Haul, guys. So remember, the only caveat to this is if you have to rent one of these, the tough part is you need to have it back within a couple days because that money is being clocked and you're paying daily for the vehicle. So these are one of the options you can do. You can rent a U-Haul. Now, what I used to do before I got my box truck, guys, is I would rent a U-Haul and buy 3 or 4 storage units, because that way I can get a lot of storage units and only pay for a few days of U-Haul. The problem with that, though, is you have to get it out of the U-Haul and make sure you clean it out and get that stuff done really quick, because you got to get this thing back within a couple days or it's going to eat into your budget, which is a daily cost. So there is a really great option here. We'll kind of go over some other ones there at Home Depot and Lowe's. Now, you can also get a truck for 20 bucks and a van, you guys can see over there, for $20. And sometimes a van works great if you're getting a smaller unit. Again, this is one of the big things regarding storage units, is you need a way to get the stuff from point A to point B, and a U-Haul is a great option. And I do recommend getting the insurance. We'll talk about that, but if you have insurance, great, but it's 14 bucks, I believe, and we'll put the cost on the screen because it covers the top. And a lot of times stuff does happen to the top, and it's very expensive if you damage the top. So you'll want to get that $14 extra insurance. But this is a way, if you don't have your own box truck, you can rent a U-Haul, and or you can get a truck and a van if possible, if that would work best for you too. But the only problem, though, is the time is clicking, so you got to make sure you utilize this as much as you can and buy as many storage units as you can while you have this, because it eats into your bottom line. All right, we are at Home Depot, guys, and this is a great place to rent. A lot of people don't know, but you can rent box trucks at Home Depot. So the reason I like Penske trucks, guys, is I believe in my area they're actually cheaper to rent these guys than they are at U-Haul to rent U-Haul trucks, and they're nicer. I like Penske's better. They're a little cheaper. You just go up to the Home Depot service center and then you can rent them here. So you've got these guys. This is a fantastic option to rent. Remember though, if the unit costs $400 and it costs you 50, 60 bucks to rent with gas and everything, now you're in the unit $500, right? So it's very important to make sure that you control your costs and try to get the cheapest option when it comes to renting. That's why I'm showing you these different places. And also, you may not have some of these places around you, so that's why I'm showing you this video with like 3 or 4 different places that you can rent box trucks, so that way you can kind of pick the closest one. Another thing that I do too sometimes is you can rent these suckers. If you're going to storage units that are really far away, you need to do your research before you go to the units and find out if there's a Home Depot or U-Haul or Lowe's close to that area, so that way you don't have to spend a ton of time driving, spending money on gas. So it's very important to understand where you're at constantly in the world, where you're buying storage units, where you're renting. Make sure you do it as close as you can to your house to save money, because it's also money, but also time, right? Because remember, the one beautiful thing about owning my truck is I don't have to spend an hour in the office renting, you know, from there and back, and I don't have to pay, you know, to have this thing being rented. I can go simply, you know, just to my truck, turn on the key and go, right? But some of us don't have that luxury because these box trucks can get expensive. I am also doing another video to show you where to buy box trucks. So, you know, in the future, I do not recommend you buy a box truck day one. We'll talk about that in a later video. I recommend you rent until you know you're going to be doing storage units for a while. Don't go spend money on a box truck. But I will do a video on different options you can buy vehicles for your storage units. But yeah, Penske is one of them. U-Haul is one of them. Stay tuned. All right, so along with box trucks, you can rent these. I can definitely see in this being, you know, a good option. Remember though, you can't fit nearly as much stuff in here. It's a very small, so maybe if it was a very small unit. The good thing is you can haul these with like vans and kind of smaller vehicles. So I guess that's one plus. Also, remember, you're in the elements here. So if it rains, it pours, you know, you have the option somebody could steal some of the stuff on here. So just make sure that you look out for these guys. So they're pretty cool. I've never rented one because I've always done a box truck, but that's always an option. So you got these cool trailers here, guys, and that's an option to rent. So.